welcome back to another video. You are watching PhoneZone.ga with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about none other than Motorola's Razr V3. Yes, हम लोग बात करने वाले कि ऐसे फोन की जो कि पहले मार्केट में 2000 अर्ली 2000 में आता था, we can say, or we can specified way we can say 2004 का मॉडल है. These kind of phones were very popular back then in early 2000s. Yes, they were very popular because we all loved flip kind of phones or foldable phones out there. जो कि अब हम देखने को मिल रहा है कि yes, again the trend is coming back. The companies are trying to make such kind of phones with upgraded version. So one of such variant was back then in 2004 Motorola's V3. Yes, the V3 was there. This was a very amazing variant out here because it has all the specifications which were needed, but still this was slightly having a few drawbacks, few minor drawbacks which turned out to be the major ones later. Talking about this variant was the most lightest weighted phone out there with the Flip series. Yes, Flip series की अगर हम overall बात करें सबसे light weighted था. It had a weight light, or we can say a weightage which was less than 100 grams. Like it was very less out there. It had a mini SIM slot edition, whereas you will get to see that it has TFT captured touchscreen. Yes, it has TFT display out there with 265K. Yes, 256 तक आराम से colorization देखी है, 256 की भी देखी है, and we have seen in this kind of phones there were really amazing display out here. Talking about this variant, we can say the size of this variant was 2.2 inches. Yes, the entire size of this, the entire size, not just the display, the keyboard size, everything included about 2.2 inches. Whereas you get to see that this was okay variant out here. When we talk about resolutions, it had a low resolution about 128, and it was an okay variant because of that. But a major drawback to this variant was that this variant did not have the external storage capacity. Yes, they did not have external storage capacity, so it was really, we can say, not worth it because external storage capacity ना होने की वजह से इसमें उतना मजा नहीं आया था. Whereas if we talk about the entry in it, like phone book वगैरह, because these kind of phones earlier used to have a entry book out there जहाँ पर हम फिक्स करते थे कि कितनी एंट्रीज हो सकती है, हम कहाँ कहाँ डायल करते हैं. It had a limitation of 1000 entries only. Yes, you can only enter or feed up to or save up to 1000 numbers. Whereas you can get a record a history of when we see call logs, we get a history which was limited to 10. 10 missed, 10 received, 10 dial, everything 10, 10, 10. Whereas internal storage capacity was 5.5 MB. Yes, it was 5.5 MB, very less MB. So this was the major drawback. That's why this phone was not very appreciable, or we can say very appreciated phone out there, because this was the minor one also. मतलब कि थोड़ा minor सी है, but major की तरह से इसको कहा जा सकता है. The camera, if we talk about the camera quality, then we can say that the camera was not there. If we say the rear camera was really bad out to VGA camera. VGA का अगर इसमें कैमरे की बात की जाए, VGA कैमरा था, सेल्फी कैमरा बिल्कुल भी देखने को नहीं मिला था. When we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant had loudspeakers. Yes, it has loudspeaker, but it did not go well with the 3.5 jack because it did not have it. So आपको रेडियो या रिकॉर्डिंग वगैरह नहीं देखने को मिलेगी. NFC भी नहीं था. मतलब इसमें जो आज के एंड्रॉइड फोन में हमें देखने को मिलता है वो चीजें नहीं है, बट ओके है. वाईफाई वेन वगैरह कनेक्टिविटी इसमें बहुत ज्यादा पुअर है. इट हैज अ मिनी USB आउट देयर, a very weak connectivity you can say out there with the sensations. गेमिंग भी बहुत ज्यादा, गेमिंग की बात करें तो हाई गेमिंग नहीं हो सकती बिकॉज इसमें सेंसिटिविटीज नहीं थी. So this was also a major drawback. It had a battery life of just 680 mAh, मतलब 680 mAh की बैटरी थी, which can give you a talk time of up to 7 hours. Like आराम से 7 hours का talk time आपको देखने को मिल जाता है for 2G phones. So this could be considered as a okay variant. So ये major drawbacks थे इस phone के. These were the major drawbacks. But back then it was in 2004, we can say these were the good features out there. But now they are the major disadvantages. Talking about the disadvantages, this kind of phone can be used by the people who don't like to have high-tech phones or are looking for a secondary phone or looking for some kind of a phone which they can use just for like calling someone or as a like for temporary phone, उन लोग के लिए ठीक है, उन लोग के लिए एकदम सही फोन है, they all can try this out. Talking about trying this phone out, there is a website which offers a great price for this phone, because this phone has got so many disadvantages and few advantages, so the pricing should be very pocketable. So the pricing for this website or the pricing for this kind of we can say phone out there, or we can say anything, मतलब इस टाइप की जो फोन्स होते हैं उनके लिए एक अच्छी प्राइसिंग जो है आपको इस साइट पे देखने को मिलेगी. यस, we can say in short that this kind of phones have got really not a very expensive pricing, they should be very pocketable price. So this is the website which is known as phoneZone.ae. यहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिलेगी बेस्ट प्राइसिंग. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यहाँ पर आपको आपके फेवरेट ब्रांड्स भी देखने को मिलते हैं. This is the list of brands out there. Apart from that, if we talk about this site, 6 months वारंटी है, 7 एक्सचेंज पॉलिसी है, COD है, फ्री शिपिंग है, मतलब यहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ देखने को मिलता है. As well as you get to see the search icon जहाँ आप specified way में अपना मॉडल सर्च कर सकते हैं. This is it for the website and the product. I'll see you in the next video. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बता सकते हैं किसी फोन के बारे में आपको जानना हो या इस फोन से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेरी हो, you can let us know. Till then, take care.